My husband, who's not my husband yet because he still hasn't put a ring on it, but we do have a baby. He's not here right now, so I'm starting on dinner prep before he arrives. Meanwhile, I'm just peeling and dicing the beets into cubes. We like to eat this Beet CousCous salad with salmon and a side of veggies. In a bowl, I drizzle olive oil, then added salt and pepper, and then poured it into a lined parchment paper that I'm just gonna fold and seal and place it in the oven. Beets provide a lot of health benefits, and I don't know why people are so scared of it. I am anemic, and beets supply my body with the energy I need to get through the rest of the day because motherhood, it's a lot. To make the couscous, you want to boil water first, so I poured 2 cups of water, then 1.5 cups of couscous, and I stirred this for about 10 minutes till it fully absorbs all of the water. I then squeezed some lemon juice. The acidity in the lemon brings out the vibrant colors of the beets. Ooh, so pretty. I personally prefer this served cold, but the hubby likes it hot. I don't know why, we like completely different things. I like to garnish it with greens. I have spring mix, but I do like it with arugula. I added ricotta as well.